We got the 24-day Body and Earth Advent Calendar on Amazon. $27 each day is worth, had to check the list, $1.12. Can you guess the filler item? That is a good question. Foot cream in the scent Berry Bliss. I think I'm gonna like that one on a hoof. Coconut macaroon foot cream. Jasmine foot cream. Eucalyptus mint hand cream. This could be interesting. Excited to try this one. Hand cream in Berry Bliss. Coconut macaroon hand cream. Grapefruit hand cream. And all of these hand creams are 0.7 fluid ounces. Raspberry hand cream. We're quite tropical. That they are. Raspberry hand cream. Lemon body lotion. Ooh, this sounds intriguing. Jasmine hand cream. Lemon hand cream. Ah, this is attracting my attention. Raspberry body lotion. We are halfway through the video and we've not yet hit a filler item. That's nice. They did send a booklet that explains in a variety of languages the ingredients for each of the items. I thought that was very helpful. If you like what you're seeing here, please consider subscribing to our channel for more fun unboxings. We have advents and all kinds of stuff during the regular year. What did you like? Let me know down below. Inquiring camels want to know all the details. My three favorites, I think, are two of the lemon scented products. The body lotion and the hand cream. And another one of my favorites from this half is the eucalyptus mint. I'm most intrigued to try this and see, does one overpower the other? Is it like being smacked up beside the head by a giant eucalyptus tree? Interesting. What do y'all think? And now, moving right along with this video. Ocean Breeze Body Scrub. Candy cane body scrub. A vast fizzy in the shape of a Christmas tree, and it looks like it's covered in snow. A jasmine shower gel. A candy cane shower gel. Eucalyptus mint body bath. Ocean Breeze bubble bath. These are each a separate day. They are shampoo bars. One is in berry and one is in, I think, mango. A candle in Berry Bliss. Is this a filler item or not? A lot of advents do include a candle as part of the tradition. So I don't think this is a filler. So what was the filler item? It was the most precious thing I think I've pulled out of an advent calendar, definitely so far. It's a keychain. There is a clip for clipping it onto whatever it needs clipping onto. This is just absolutely adorable. There's a little bell there. There's a bow. And it's a Santa hat. That's an awesome filler item. I feel bad even calling it a filler item. You raise a point. And I don't know truly if I want this attached to my keys. This would make a cute little decoration hanging off the tree. What did you see in this half of the box that got your attention? I was attracted to the ornament, as I'm going to call it, technically a keychain. I was also attracted by the shower gel and the body scrub, both in the candy cane scent. And I'm not big on mint, but these have attracted my attention. What did you like? Let us know, let us know, let us know. And let it snow, just not in Southern California. All things considered, looking at the nitty-gritty, a 24-day calendar for $27 at $1.12 a day. True, there are some scent and some products in there that I'm not going to use. I can pass them along. Yet, that's not a bad price breakdown. I agree. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe. Share with your friends. Come back for another video because we got lots of videos going on and lots of shorts. Don't forget to check out the shorts feed. Hope to see you soon.